you find yourselves in the middle of the day feeling sticky and greasy and hope that you got a chance to quickly grab your face wash to take away all the oiliness of your skin? Or you carry blotting papers to reduce the shininess of your skin? If answer to any of the above questions is yes, then you're here at the correct place. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Jushya Bhatia Sarin, a practicing dermatologist from New Delhi, India. And in this video, I'm going to discuss skincare products you need for oily skin. Your skin has small oil glands all over. In fact, the density of oil glands on your face is the highest in the body after the scalp. And these oil glands keep secreting oil to layer the skin surface that helps to keep it healthy, moisturized, and hydrated. Problems arise when more than required oil is secreted on the skin surface and it starts feeling unusual. There are a few reasons why this could happen. Number one is genetics. If your parents had oily skin, chances are that you will also have an oily skin. Next is your age. Younger population secretes more oil compared to matured skin or aged skin. However, this is not a golden rule. Even people with mature skin can release a lot of oil. Number three is the warm and humid climate that you live in. Now, there is not much that you can do about your age or your genetics or the enlarged pores, and I'm sure that you do not want to consider switching places if you have oily skin. But what you can do is have a good skincare routine that is appropriate for your skin type in order to reduce the oiliness. Before I tell you what to use, first have a look at what you are using. Consider reading the labels of all the products that you're currently using. Avoid alcohol-based products, especially the ones that are irritating. However, there are certain alcohols that are actually suitable for oily skin, such as CETYL alcohol or stearyl alcohol. Those are fine to use. You must also avoid oil-based products. Read the product labels carefully. If your product has mineral oil or vegetable oil, it is best to refrain from using it if you have oily, acne-prone skin. Choose skincare products based on the weather. In winters, your skin needs products that are less drying, such as creams. However, in summers and monsoons, you can shift to gel-based products or lotion-based products. All your skincare should be labeled non-comedogenic. This will not assure you that you will never break out with a product, but it has less chances of giving you acne compared to a product that is not labeled non-comedogenic. While I understand the temptation to scrub away or exfoliate all the oiliness that is on your skin, overdoing can in fact aggravate your oiliness. Because when you keep removing the oil from your face, your body ramps up the oil production thinking that your skin is excessively dry. It is recommended that you wash your face only 2 times, once in the morning and once at bedtime, with a foaming cleanser. A foaming cleanser penetrates deeper into your skin pores and cleanses it from within. I also recommend washing your face after a heavy workout or after a heavy day of sweating. Like we discussed in this video, that you must always moisturize your face. Depending on the weather, you can use a gel-based moisturizer. I personally love hyaluronic acid-based moisturizers for acne-prone skin. You can also use aloe vera or glycerin-based gels that indeed are very hydrating and do not give you acne. However, there is a chance that any of these products can give particularly acne to your skin. In that case, it is best to not use them in future. If you are on acne medicines or are on medicines to reduce your oil production, in that case, your skin can feel excessively dry and then you need a thicker, better moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Never skip your sunscreen. When you step out in the sun, your skin can be dry and dehydrated. As a compensatory mechanism, your skin starts producing more oil. And in fact, if you don't wear your sunscreen, this process can lead to more oiliness. While choosing a sunscreen, you can choose the one that is dry touch, matte finish, or is labeled non-comedogenic. Try choosing sunscreens that are physical in nature or mineral sunscreens, such as the ones that are rich in zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, or iron oxide. If you like to apply makeup, you can use it on top of your sunscreen. You can keep blotting papers handy to reduce the oiliness or suck away all the oil that keeps secreting throughout the day. If you're using powder-based makeup, ensure that you're using them with your hands or use cotton balls that can be discarded after every use. Using tools and brushes that cannot be washed very often are not recommended for oily skin because this can harbor a lot of bacteria that can be transmitted back onto your skin with each application. If you like to use liquid makeup, again, use your freshly washed hands to apply the makeup. Now let's talk about the serums that are recommended for oily, acne-prone skin. For moisturization, like I mentioned, you can try using a hyaluronic acid-based moisturizer, which comes in serums or gel form. Hyaluronic acid is naturally present on your skin and it has a capacity to hold water up to 1,000 times its own weight. So it is really hydrating, but it does not lead to any stickiness or greasiness on your skin. For all hyaluronic acid recommendations, check out the description box. You can try using a retinol to reduce the natural oil production. Retinol is a vitamin A molecule and the details of which will be considered in a next video. In fact, it can lead to a little dryness on the skin, so it is best recommended to be combined with a moisturizer. I recommend using retinol only at bedtime and using a moisturizer on top of application of retinol serum. A sunscreen is mandatory if you're on retinol, otherwise your skin can become dark because of sun exposure. Coming to skincare acids, you can try using a salicylic acid, which is a dermatologist's favorite molecule to deal with oiliness. It dissolves the oil that keeps secreting on your skin, giving you a fresher appearance. You can consider using a glycolic acid that exfoliates the superficial skin, giving you a clearer appearance. However, the percentage of these acids needs to be correct, which will be considered in a different video. Another favorite molecule of mine for oily skin is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a gentle molecule that can reduce the inflammation that happens because of acne, and it in fact also reduces acne production. If you have acne marks or you have blemishes of other kind and you also have oily skin, azelaic acid can do wonders for you. To balance oil production, you can also consider using a niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3. This is a great molecule if you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, or a skin with blemishes. If you have inflamed or sensitive skin along with oiliness, you can consider using tranexamic acid. It works on tiny blood vessels that lead to redness. A detailed description of each of these will be considered in different videos. And for all the product recommendations, you can go and check out the description box. Start your day with a foamy cleanser and use it at bedtime as well. Consider using one of the acids in the morning and follow it up with a hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Always wear your sunscreen, that is matte finish or dry touch. And finally, keep your blotting papers handy to pull you throughout the day. I hope you liked this video. If you want to watch more of our skin and hair care videos, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let me also know what would you like to listen to next in the comment section. Till the next video, take care and have a healthy skin.